Hi, I'm Robert Sebastian. I'd like to tell you today about the one thing you must master if you want to reach your full potential as a business leader or the leader of any organization. And that is when a challenging situation comes across your desk, you must handle it promptly. I used to call these alligators because in the movie an alligator is flushed down the toilet and ends up in the sewer system, grows up and ends up tormenting the city. And eventually at the end of the movie, they catch the alligator, but in the last clip, somebody flushes down a tiny alligator, another toilet. It's just the way the world goes around. Is problems will come your way, challenges will come your way. But the best leaders master this one thing. They handle their alligators promptly. They capture them when they show up. But every now and then, a challenging situation comes your way that is not urgent. And it happens to all of us. We just push it to the side, don't feel like dealing with it. And then the next day you say, well, now I really have to handle it. And then another one pops up before you could get to it. Now you've got two alligators to deal with. So if you want to reach your full potential, make sure you make it a way of life that when a challenging situation comes up, you quickly define the problem, you find some possible solutions, and find the one that is fair to you and is fair to every party involved. And get consent. Quickly contact the people involved and let them know that you want to resolve the situation and move on to new business. Now do the math. If in your type of business, one new situation pops up every day, which happens even in the best ran businesses, you can do your best, you can have the most outstanding customer service. Life is that way. Things will pop up. And if one a day pops up, that's about 25 a month. And if you delay handling them, you could end up on any given day, you could have 5 or 6 of them if you've been procrastinating. So don't do that to yourself. And you will have some free potential to move on to new business and focus on growing your business, focus on rewarding your employees, taking excellent care of your customers. So handle your alligators promptly. One alligator comes your way, you can capture it, you can put it back where it belongs, and move on with life. But imagine if you had 2, if you had 3 or 4 or 5, and now you've got alligators everywhere. Don't do that to yourself. Don't do that to your organization. Handle your alligators promptly, and you will end up among the top within your industry. You will reach some levels of achievement that you never even dreamt about. So good luck and handle your alligator today. Thanks for watching, and please share this if it was helpful to you. Have a great day.